Fáilte roimh arás. Welcome back. Follow me, Miss Gaeilge. Let's learn Irish. Level A1, Topic 3, on Teaghlach. Level A1, Topic 3, on Teaghlach, the family or the household. Level A1, Topic 3, Rannóg Curbal éagsúil den Teaghlach in aithne, ag díreach Labhairt. So level A1, topic 3, section 10, introducing various members of the family, focusing on speaking. Agus sa Rannóg seo ba mid ag múna conas ball éagsúil den Teaghlach a chur in aithne agus adiaag chealabhach má agus dá. And in this section we'll be teaching how to introduce different members of the family and the possessive adjectives má and dá, mine and yours. Ag cur tú féin in aithne, introducing yourself. Conas tú féin a chur in aithne, how to introduce yourself. So we'll review briefly what we went over in Unit 1, how to introduce yourself. So one way, Liam is anam dom, Liam is my name, and there were other variations of that. Liam an tanam atá armsa. Is Misha Sheila, I'm Sheila, is Misha Sheila. And then to ask somebody what their name is, you would say, Cé tusa. So the teacher might, a múntóir might ask, Cé tusa, who are you? And the learner, fáil, is Misha Darren, or just Misha Darren. Or another way, Darren is anam dom. So any of those ways is acceptable. Daoine occur in aithne dá chéile, introducing people to one another. Conas daoine a chur in aithne dá chéile, how to introduce people to each other. So for example, seo é Liam. Seo é Liam, this is Liam. Seo í Aoife, this is Aoife. So we use A for masculine, E for feminine. And seo iad Sheila agus Owen. And for plural, seo iad Sheila agus Owen. Seo é Liam, seo í Aoife, seo iad Sheila agus Owen. And now it's your turn. Cuireann duine a hagann suas in aithne dom. Introduce the person who comes up to me. Cé hí seo? Seo í Madonna. Cé hé seo? Seo é Santa Claus. Cuireann daoine a hagann suas in aithne dom. Introduce the people who come up to me. And for this one, you'll need the following vocabulary. Na hauig, the dwarves. Na hauig. So, cé hiad seo? Seo iad na hauig. Seo iad na hauig. So, seo é for masculine, seo í for feminine, agus seo iad for plural. And one more go around. Cé hé seo? Cé hiad? Cé hí? Agus anois, duine sa Teaghlach a chur in aithne. Now introducing somebody in your family. Éistlám, listen to me. Seo é mo bhac Tomás. Seo é mo bhac Tomás. Seo í minian Deirdre. Seo í minian Deirdre. Seo iad mo hismeóirí. Seo iad mo hismeóirí Pádraig agus Bríd. So listen carefully one more time. Seo é mo bhac Tomás. Seo í minian Deirdre. Seo iad mo hismeóirí Pádraig agus Bríd. So, éis the ríis, listen again. Éis go córamach, listen carefully. Tishmeóirí mo hismeóirí. Tishmeóirí mo hismeóirí. Mac do wach. Mac do wach. Ineen minian. Ineen minian. So, ma is the possessive for my, the for yours, and ma in front of a vowel gets abbreviated and you put in drop the O, put in apostrophe, so minian. Cada hagan tú fiara, what do you notice? Éisla Marish, listen to me again. Máthir, mawáthir. Ahir, mahir. Trifúr, mugrafúr. Trahar, mugrahar. Páistí, do fáistí. Ahir, mahir. Inín, dinín. Cada hagan tú fiara, what do you notice? So, áirítear tús an animacal tar éis ma agus da. So, the beginning of the noun is changed after ma and da. Cuirtear séimhú an vocal má hosíonn sé le consonant. So, a séimhú is added to a word if it begins with a consonant. And the séimhú is the H we put in. For example, páiste, má fáiste, máthir, do wáthir. And you'll notice we've added a séimhú in each of these cases after the éagsúil. Má hosíonn an animacal le gota, úsáid M apostrophe, no D apostrophe. So if the noun begins with a vowel, we use M apostrophe or D apostrophe. Mar hampla, ahir, ma'ahir, inín, dinín. So this is one of the changes you'll see to the beginning of a word in Irish, initial mutations. And this one is the séimhú. In English we call it lenition. The beginning consonant is lenited. By adding a séimhú, the H, it changes the sound of the word. Now, let's practice on Teaghlach. The possessive adjective, I'll have you repeat after me. Máthir, mawáthir. Ahir, mahir. Drifúr, do grifúr. Trahar, mugrahar. Páistí, do fáistí. Ahir, mahir. Inín, dinín. We'll go over these briefly one more time. So we have mowach, my son. Dowach, your son. Awach, his son. And you notice a for his also adds a séimhú. Amach, her son. So when it's her son, the a does not add a séimhú. And we'll do more of this later, but just to practice with the family. Ma hismahori, my parents. Da hismahori. A hismahori, his parents. A tishmahori, her parents. Minin, my daughter. Dinin, your daughter. A inin, his daughter. A hinin, her daughter. And you'll notice in front of the vowel, her adds a H, his does not. So we won't worry too much about the initial changes to vowels for his and hers right now. We're focusing on ma and the, but I just added them in there because I've been asked about them. Teaghlach, possessive adjective. So this is just a rundown of all of them, singular and plural. Ma, the, and a for his add a séimhú. A for hers does not add any change to the initial consonant. And then na hifricha alra níl si dénta gin fós, the plural possessive adjectives we've not yet done also to cause an initial mutation. Or, our adds an aru, vor, yours adds an aru, and a, theirs adds an aru. But we haven't covered these yet, but just so you have the whole picture, save it away for future. Le gan bilog ag curbáil éagsúil den Teaghlach in aithne, ceart nó mícheart A agus B uait don gníomhaíocht seo. You'll need the handout introducing different members of the family, correct or incorrect A and B for this activity. Ceart nó mícheart A. Lé na habartí seo a leanas, read the following sentences. An bhfuil siad ceart nó mícheart? Are they correct or incorrect? Cuir cearcail timpeall ar an bhreagra ceart, agus mátá sé mícheart scríomh a gart é. So put a circle around the correct answer, and if it's incorrect, rewrite it correctly. Mar hampla, ifir dó mícheart má fáistí. For example, number 2 is incorrect. It should be má fáistí with a séimh after má. An sin, lé na habartí cearta amach úsáid. Then read the correct sentences out loud. Pause the video while you complete the activity. Freagraí ceart nó mícheart A. The answers for correct or incorrect A. Ifir hain, seo é maithir fiachra, ceart. Ifir B, seo iad má páistí, óin agus imer, mícheart. It should be má fáistí. Ifir 3, seo I má bhain chéile Sally. It's mícheart. It should be seo I má bhain chéile Sally with a séimh on bhain. Ifir 4, seo iad má gratháracha Fionn agus Liam. Tá sé sin ceart, that's correct. Ifir 5, seo I má máthair níomh. Tá sé sin mícheart, that's incorrect. It should be má máthair with a séimh. Ifir 6, seo I má drifúr Moira. Tá sé sin mícheart. It should be má ghrifuair. Ifir 7, seo é má gratháir Seán. Tá sé sin ceart. Ifir 8, seo iad má hismeóirí Sheila agus Colin. Tá sé sin ceart. That's correct. Ifir 9, seo I má inín Ciara. Tá sé sin mícheart. That's incorrect. It should be minín. Apostrophe in I for the ON. Ifir 10, seo é má mach Liam. Tá sé sin mícheart. It should be má bhach, má, MHAC. Ceart nó mícheart B. Éislam ag léamh abertí. Listen to me reading some sentences. An bhfuil siad ceart nó mícheart? Are they correct or incorrect? Cuir cearcail timpeall ar an bhreagra ceart agus scríomh i gceart é. Put a circle around the right answer and write the answer correctly. Mar hampla, ifir hain, mícheart should be má ghrifuair. For example, number 1, I pronounced it incorrectly. It should be má ghrifuair. An sin, lé amach na habartí úsáid a rís, ag díriú isteach ar an bhuaimniú ceart. Then read the sentences out loud, focusing on pronouncing them correctly. Ceart nó mícheart B. Ifir hain, seo I má drifúr Moira. Ifir dó, seo é má gratháir Seán. Ifir 3, seo iad má hismeóirí Sheila agus Colin. Ifir 4, seo I má iníon Ciara. Ifir 5, seo é má mach Liam. I'll repeat those one more time. Number 1, seo I má drifúr Moira. Ifir dó, seo é má gratháir Seán. Ifir 3, seo iad má hismeóirí Sheila agus Colin. Ifir 4, seo I má iníon Ciara. Ifir 5, seo é má mach Liam. Ifir 6, seo é maithir fiachra. Ifir 7, seo iad má páistí óin agus imer. Iver a hocht, seo í má ben chéile Sally. Iver a ní, seo iad má gratháracha Fionn agus Liam. Iver a de, seo í má máthair níomh. I'll repeat them one more time. Seo é máthair fíorcha. Iver a seacht, seo iad má páistí ón agus ímar. Iver a hocht, seo í má ben chéile Sally. Iver a ní, seo iad má gratháracha Fionn agus Liam. Iver a de, seo í má máthair níomh. Agus inis na freagraí ceart nó mí cheart bí. Iver a hen, má drifúr, dúirt mé má drifúr, mí cheart, it should have been má grifúr. Iver a dó, má grathár, tá sé sin ceart. Iver a trí, má hismeóirí, tá sé sin ceart. Iver a chuig, má inín, tá sé sin mí cheart, it should be minín. Iver a sé, má mach, tá sé sin mí cheart, it needs to have a séú, má wach. Iver sé, dúirt mé, máthair, I said máthair, tá sé sin ceart. Iver seacht, dúirt mé, má páistí, I said má páistí, tá sé sin mí cheart, it should have been má fáistí. Iver a hocht, dúirt mé, má ben chéile, mí cheart, it should be má bhean chéile. Iver a ní, má gratháracha, bhí sé sin ceart, that was correct. And iver a de, dúirt mé, má máthair, mí cheart, should have been má máthair. Beag an bilog green graph den Teaghlach uait don gníomhaíocht seo, you'll need the handout family photos for this activity. Green graph den Teaghlach, family photos. Féach ar an milo green graph den Teaghlach a ríis. Look at the handout family photos again. Éislam ag léirú conas ball den Teaghlach a chur in aithne. Listen to me describing how to introduce family members. Mishikira. Seo iad má hismeóirí, Moira agus Sean. Seo í má grifúr, Lorna. Seo é má grathár, Colm. Seo é mar chéile, Jose. Seo iad má fáistí, Jose Angel agus Orla. Green graph den Teaghlach, family photos. Tá tú chun úsáid a bhaint as an milóg seo chun an folklór atá agat in éise chleachta. Níl gach focail agat ag ar gach duine sa Teaghlach go fóil, ach nábí buartha faoi sin ag an bhainte seo. So, tá tú chun úsáid a bhaint as an milóg seo, so you're going to use this handout, chun an folklór atá agat in éise chleachta, to practice using the vocabulary that you have now. Níl gach focail agat ar gach duine sa Teaghlach go fóil. You don't have every word for every member of the household yet. Ach nábí buartha faoi sin ag an bhainte seo. But don't be worried about that at this point. Use those that you do know. Seo é de Gaeilge, inis dom faoi de Gaeilge. So I will tell you at the beginning of each slide who you are in the picture and ask you to introduce your family to me. Anish, Tosa Lorna, inis dom faoi de Gaeilge. We'll do this activity 3 times. You'll get to be Lorna, Orla, and Colm. So pause the video during each one while you familiarize yourself with your family and introduce as many family members as you can before moving on to the next one. Tosa Orla, inis dom faoi de Gaeilge. Anish, Tosa Colm, inis dom faoi de Gaeilge. And that wraps up Rannóg ag cur ball éagsúil den Teaghlach in aithne. And that wraps up section 10, introducing family members and the possessive adjective má agus da. Lecture notes and worksheets to accompany the course are available, along with audio files and links to Quizlet flashcards and study tools. Original files are available to download at Teastas Eorpach na Gaeilge's website, or edited versions can be found at simplyjacinta.com. Direct links will be in the description box below. Míle buíochas de Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge as cead a thabhairt dom úsáid a bhaint as na háiseanna closamhairc atá le fáil ar a suíomh. So many thanks to Teastas Eorpach na Gaeilge for permission to use the learning resources on their website. Tá súlagam gur bhain sibh tanamhas. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Like and subscribe if you got some value out of it.